Hey there, I'm Steve and you're watching Car Simplified. Today I'm fixing a mistake I made. This is a light assembly that goes in the door of my 2005 Pontiac GTO. It basically looks like that when it's in the door, and I was trying to remove it to get to the LED in there. To add insult to injury, this was not even the LED that I thought it was, so I pulled this out for nothing. This is still okay. This is just the shroud in the back, that's still okay, but I broke the plastic right here. Just so there's less tension in there, I'm going to pull this LED out. There's still a little tension from this, and I could probably pull it out, but I don't want to risk breaking that some more. To repair this, I'm going to be trying this product out. I have used it before, but it was on an office chair. I'm going to see how it works for this auto part plastic. Although this is a two-part fix, you can actually go and just use this. The other one is for like building material up. The warning on here says bond skin instantly, so hopefully this thing is gonna work real fast because I don't want to sit here holding this piece together. I'm wearing gloves because of that warning. I'm gonna drip some. There we go. Drip some in there and holding it together. Alright, because I know what this does and there's no harm in doing this, I'm going to add a little bit of this powder on top. Whoa, that's too much. And reinforce it. That's looking good. Let's see if this thing attaches now. Yeah, I think it's supposed to stay put on there, and there's a lot of gray plastic in there, so I imagine this was plastic welded or something from the factory, which is probably why it doesn't stay on very well. So I'm going to try to use this stuff to fix this. If this stuff finds its way into those crevices, I will be very impressed. It looks like it is. I'll give this time to sit, but I don't think it takes a whole lot of time to finish doing what it's doing. And take note that I left this area alone because that's the area that you squeeze to get this out of the door. Alright, I let the glue sit for about 3 minutes. It seems to have taken hold, and that seems pretty good to me. I'm going to put this LED in, and this slides in. This is the real way you access it. Alright, that looks good. I'll put this back in the car and we'll see how it turned out. One of the cool things about this assembly is you get to attach the wires to these pins here. So if you have an LED and you installed it with the wrong polarity, you can actually just switch these around. We'll plug the wires in, make sure it lights up first. It lights up, that's good. Now we can slide it in wire end first and then push it in the rest of the way. Alright, the end result looks pretty good, and I can personally attest to it not drying up in the bottle because I have used that stuff before and it's been sitting around for at least a year. And I know that bottle has spent a summer in Florida in a garage with no air conditioning and a winter up here in Connecticut. In the future I'll test it on something more substantial, but I have to wait for something to break, so I can't tell you when that's going to be. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe so when that does come out, you'll see it. And until then, I've got a bunch of other automotive informational videos that'll come out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.